you're looking for a great way to help take care of your cats, I've got a video for you. Hey guys, I'm Elizabeth. We're going to look at the Pet Marvel C1 self-cleaning cat litter box. Here's just a quick overview of how it works. I think you're already on the product page, so you probably already have a pretty good idea, but we just pulled it out of the box and we've kind of gotten a feel for how it works. Obviously, we're not going to put the actual, business here on the internet for you to look at. But here's a quick talk over of how it works. So your control panel is over here. This whole thing is app controlled, so you will definitely be able to control it on your phone and be able to activate the cleaning. So even if you're not home, if you're on vacation, you can still activate the self-cleaning function. So this thing has a sensor right here, and that will deactivate the self-cleaning process if a cat approaches. It also has a gravity sensor on the inside, so if a cat is inside doing their business, it's not going to be running the cleaning function as well. Your waste control bin is down here, and it does come with bags that go inside of this tray. And actually, here's a cool feature. The way that you use it is this little thing is kind of rubber, right? So this comes down and your drawstring is through here. So you will grab the drawstring and pull it tight before you open this. And then the whole thing is already sealed up, so that way you don't have to get your hands on the business or the smell of the business when it's time to change it out. So that's a really cool feature of the design, is being able to pull the trash bags tight before you open it up and get that waft. All in all, this is a really great product. I've known several people who have similar self-cleaning cat boxes, and they all say this is a complete game changer for a cat owner. I'll leave the link at the bottom of your screen if you want to check out more information. Definitely read the reviews, and you can also add to cart from there. Bye, guys.